Okay, on this page, we're doing the same thing. Congruent angles, we're just practicing it a few more times. So we're making congruent angles. So they gave us an angle. We are going to make an angle congruent to it using the same steps that we just followed. So again, if you're feeling comfortable, you don't have to like stay with me through every step. But if you're not, I'm also going to explain every step too. So here we have an angle. We are going to make a ray, the bottom ray here. This would be point D. How I just stabbed myself. Don't do that. I stabbed myself. Yikes. Okay. Okay, and then I'm going to put this on point A and make an arc through both rays. And then put it on D and then make that same arc. Then I'm going to measure the distance between B and C. Put it on E, measure that distance. Number 4, making a ray. Putting this on point A. Yeah, one second. I'll like flip it over in a second.
Oh, I see.
Okay. Number 5. Making a ray again. B. Putting this on A. Measuring the distance between B and C using the compass. Then putting it on E and making the same mark.